This is Moby, and I'm here enjoying the beautiful lake here. As you can see, sun is setting and it is looking gorgeous, and makes you wonder. There's a reason for this blue color to fade and then orange color to start, and that is such an important concept because that's what we need to do. We need to synchronize our rhythm every day. So we need to synchronize our rhythm every day to sun and moon, because this is where our body actually needs to synchronize internal clock with the outside sun and moon. With this, the blue light is so important because that's what's gonna help actually tell our brain it's daytime rather than nighttime. That's such an important concept with people who have sleep issues.